FaceTime is an application that allows you to talk with your friends and contacts through video calls. Easily and quickly you can connect regardless of the distance in which contacts are located. It is exclusive for iPhone, iPad, Mac and iPod Touch. Allows you to transmit videos using the camera and microphone of Apple devices. One of its great advantages is that it allows group video calls of up to 32 people. It can be used using a Wi-Fi or mobile network. Find FaceTime, press Settings and then press FaceTime. Activate the indicator. If you have not connected with your ID, press Use your ID for FaceTime and press the Start key to return. Enter the Contacts option, select one and press FaceTime again. Activate or deactivate the microphone. Change the front camera to the back. Everything according to your need. When you want to, press the End key and you can return to the home screen. Group calls. Once you access the application on the iPhone, press the plus icon to add new users to the chat. Select the participants and press the video button. Participants will begin to appear as they accept your invitation. You can also access it while using the message application. For that, you must create a group with all the contacts you want to participate in the video call. Click on the name of the group. The chat options will appear and you can select the central button of FaceTime. Another innovation for users of the iOS 12 version is the effects that can be used in the video call, including Animoji and Memoji, replacing the image of their faces with the fun effects, filters and stickers.